Hi folks, this is Ken with KenCanCook.info. Here in the kitchen, making homemade sugar cookies. I'm going to start with the basic ingredients, which is going to be oil, egg, vanilla, sugar, lemon, salt, baking powder, and flour. Now let's mix those ingredients together. We're going to start with the oil. Then we're going to add our egg. Sugar, vanilla, and I like to give a little squirt of lemon juice. I don't have any lemon rind to put into the recipe, so I'm substituting with lemon juice. Now let's mix that together. Now that we mixed our wet ingredients together and it's well blended, now let's add in our dry material. Now we're going to add the flour. That's going to be 1 cup of flour. I like to go half, and then I'll put my baking powder. And our salt. And then the remaining of our flour. Now we're going to shift it in the bowl by I call it the tap method. Just going to tap it. Just make it nice and smooth. With a spoon, we're going to mix our dry and wet ingredients together to make the cookie dough. You can do this with a machine, but I like to do it the old-fashioned way by using good old hands. With a cookie scooper, we're going to scoop out our dough and place it on our parchment paper. With our press, we're going to put our cookie dough on our press in between 2 parchment papers to flatten out our cookies. Okay, let's put the tray in the oven. And there you have it, nice, hot, fresh sugar cookies straight from the oven. Tasty and yummy, ready to eat. Let's try one. Oh, so delicious. Checking out another batch, and we're adding marshmallow in the middle of it. Let's see how that turns out. And there you have it. Sugar cookies with a marshmallow twist. And remember, we got all of our cookie sheets out with a finger slips. You can easily grab hot stuff right out of the microwave or the oven without burning your fingers. You can get them here at CookingMitts.com, or just go on KenCanCook.info and click on CookingMitts.com, and it'll direct you straight to where you can get your very own finger slip. Glad that you took part with us, and I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time at KenCanCook.info.